Hi there, and welcome to my review of the Smeg Integral dishwasher, the model number D1612E, made by Smeg. We'll start with the information we've got on the front here. It's an A+ energy rating, which is quite good. So they're saying it's got 286 kilowatts per year. It uses 3,360 litres of water. 12 place settings, and it's 49 decibels, which is quite quiet, so seems quite good. Okay, fitting instructions. So pretty much fitting instructions quite easy to do. Any person can do it pretty much. There's basically a plug you need to plug into electric. There is a cable that goes into the water, a water pipe for input water, and a waste pipe for the waste. So that's your two pipes and one cable you need to fit. It screws into your cabinet. There's a couple of fittings here to screw it into your cabinet. The door, there's a template for the door that you just put on the template here, and there's two brackets that screw onto the door. It then clips onto the front of the dishwasher. Then there's a couple more screws, one on each side here. Just screw those in, and then the door fixes nice and firm. So that was quite easy to do. It takes a little bit of lining up, but it's not too hard to do, and it's pretty solid. Okay, what have we got inside here then? Okay, so in here, there's your container, your hole to put your tablets in, your dishwasher tablets, your detergent. And then this one here is for your rinse aid. Just fill it up with any rinse aid you've got. There is a display on here that comes up green when it's empty. And last one that we need to fill up is salt. There's a salt filler here. Just fill it up with the salt. And put in a litre of water the first time you use it. If you don't put a litre of water in, there's a warning light comes up. It must have a sensor in there to know that that's there. Okay, while we're in the base of the machine, there's a filter there. That's just to catch any food waste, and that filter comes out. Again, that just clips back in, easy enough. There we go. While we're inside the machine, we might as well talk about this. Smeg have designed this so that this part spins and this part, the green bit, spins independently. That's meant to give 100% coverage of all the area of the dishwasher, which sprays the water all the way around. There was also okay, so while we're in the machine, there's two of these jets that spin round. There's a top one here that does the top plates and the down onto the bottom ones. This one down here spins, and then this part spins independently. And what they're saying on the Smeg website, basically this spins and it will do 100% coverage of all your plates, so it will get everything really clean. We can look at the two trays while we're here. So we've got this tray here, which will take your glasses. This tray will take some cutlery and different shaped glasses, and that they all adjust and move around so you can hold things in them. Bottom tray more for plates and items like that. There's a cutlery holder there with the lid clips on and off, depending on what cutlery you've got. This thing that's designed for this is designed to go to any place so that you can move it backwards and forwards. You can put it wherever you like, so you can get the maximum usage from your plates and your storage area. Okay, so on the top here, this is where all your buttons are hidden. Obviously, as it's integrated unit, the buttons are not on display anywhere. So we have an on-off button here, so that turns it on. When it's turned on, we've got flashing lights here. We've got 5 different settings that do different things. One setting that I'll just show you first of all, right, if we hold this button in for about 15 seconds, takes a little while. There we go, 1 minute, there we go. When the red light starts beeping, this, you can then adjust your your water softening. So the amount of salt is adjusted by this. So my area is quite a normal amount of hardness, so I set it to 3. But if you've got a very hard one, you can set it to 5. If you've got a really soft water, you can set it to 1. Okay, so that's the water softening set. The machine basically is now ready to go. So we have a few different settings on here. So if we click on there, that is a pre-soak setting, which is here. So basically that's a 15-minute pre-soak. So that will, if you've got really dirty dishes, or if you've been doing like Sunday roast or something like that, maybe a pre-soak will be good for that. Rapid wash is number 2. This takes 27 minutes. It's a 38-degree wash and a 50-degree rinse. So that will be like if you've got some light washing up to do, light snacks, I don't know, sandwiches, something like that would be probably the best after that. Eco, this basically saves you some money on using too much power. It's a 45-degree wash and a 65-degree rinse. So yeah, going above 65 degrees, that'll kill your bacteria. I'm not sure exactly how long that takes, because the information doesn't say on the booklet. Okay, the normal wash is 115 minutes, so just under 2 hours. It's a 65-degree wash and a 70-degree rinse. Again, those will go above your 63 degrees, so it'll kill all bacteria that's on your plates. So should be nice and hygienic, and should come out nice and clean and dry when you've finished with it. The last one is your ultra wash, and that goes for 150 minutes, and that sits at 70 degrees for wash and 70 degrees for rinse. So that's pretty much the Smeg dishwasher. And what we're going to do now is we'll load the dishwasher, then we'll show you it loaded. We'll move from there, and then we'll run through a wash cycle and see how it performs. But that's our Smeg dishwasher, and that's pretty much everything. A D1612E.
Go.
Okay, so we've now loaded the dishwasher. So top one's got some pans in it, glasses in it. They all sort of fit in quite well, so that's that one shut. Bottom one, selection of plates, cutlery, glasses, some little pots. So we'll put them in. They're not that dirty, but we'll see how clean they come out. Wash your tablet in there, shut it down. And then we're going to go with the quick rapid clean. Should take 27 minutes. So we'll shut that. Straight away we can hear it starting up. It's now running, so it's filling itself up with water. Seems quite quiet at the moment. It's filling up. It's probably going to heat up for a little bit. We shall wait couple of minutes and see how it goes, so see how noisy it is. But yeah, it's now running as it should. The other thing you can do as well that you can open it and it will stop the program. You could then add to it and then shut again. Obviously when the machine's up and running and spinning, you've got to watch out for a bit of water spraying everywhere, but it could be fun. You can have a swim if you get a shower anyway. So okay, so we're going to leave that running for the next 27 minutes, and we'll come back and have a look afterwards.
Go.
Okay, so the machine's been running for a little while now, so as you can hear, it seems quite quiet. It's running at its full wash now, so it's really is quite quiet. So yeah, 49 decibels, whatever that means to me, that means quite quiet. We can open it, we can see in there. It was whizzing around washing all the dishes, so we'll close that back up and leave it to run.
Go.
Okay, so we're now about half an hour later, 27-minute wash, a few minutes just to sit there. So let's have a look. So all nice and steamy, nice and warm. So they're quite clean, they're pretty good. All seems nice and clean. And the top one, yeah, they're all clean. They were all full of cake and stuff. Plates have come out nice and clean. Yep. So from that, we can conclude that the dishwasher works. And that's pretty much it, really. So that is the Smeg integrated dishwasher, D1612E. Yep, and that's our review of the integrated dishwasher. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.